Now, I would get mad at myself because I felt like I had no reason to be sad or tired or depressed. I had an amazing childhood. I had great friends. I had a long-term girlfriend. I had good grades in school. And by good grades, I mean I knew exactly how much I had to study to get a solid 60% on the test. When I was just shy of 16 years old, I decided to tell a couple of friends I felt depressed. I don't know what I expected. I thought just telling them would make me feel better. It did not. I noticed that people don't always know how to show their support to someone suffering from depression. They want to show their support, but how? Well, let's talk about it. There are multiple ways to show your support to someone suffering from depression, 4 of which I will go into. Now, the first method is what I call the good life method.